try this when you are at home and it's heavily raining outside. You try going out with an umbrella or without umbrella. You go to the shops you want to go, you go to the places, to the parks. In heavy rain you have to go to your favorite places, or you can go to the groceries, anywhere of utility places or fun places, wherever you want to go. But in heavy rain you have to do all this.
Heavy rain.
Why in heavy rain? Because not it's quite not usual. So if you do it, you will feel hesitation as everybody sits inside in so much heavy rain. But if you do it, it will definitely lead to uplifting of whatever is your level of mood to the next level. And when I usually or mostly we have not gone out like this. So when I went, I found exactly the people outside who were like-minded and who came out just to enjoy the rain, who were shopping outside in heavy rain as me. So do try this and enjoy some time in heavy rain. You have to go by walking, not in any of your mode of vehicle. That's the shop. These are the shop. Oh, that's great. Oh, let's look at the sky. Oh, that's the beauty. Water everywhere. Just this happened. Oh gosh. See this.